Remember growing up, we always knew who the smart kids in school were. Later, we learned that there was something else that made people successful in life. Success in life isn't solely based on cognitive intelligence. Daniel Goleman popularized the concept of emotional intelligence. This helped explain why some people with high cognitive intelligence didn't always turn out to be the best leaders. Goleman discussed how emotional intelligence, or EQ, was more important than IQ in leadership. While these two intelligence measurements, cognitive and emotional intelligence, are important, they don't address the ripple effect of leadership. Have you ever worked with a visionary who decides to target a new market but doesn't adapt the product to fit the market? What if the product did fit the market, but operationally, the company was not able to keep up with demand, creating substantial fulfillment issues resulting in customer complaints? This type of visionary leader may have a high IQ and high EQ, but lacks system intelligence, or SYQ. In technology, a system is a collection of connected elements or components organized for a common purpose. The same definition holds in organizations, but rather than technology systems, the system represents different people, departments, products, markets, customers, and communities. A leader with a high degree of system intelligence connects various components of the company and organizes the team around a common cause. These three intelligence components make up the leadership intelligence pyramid, with the highest level being system intelligence. To realize your leadership potential, you must continually develop each of these intelligence factors. System intelligence is evident throughout Blendification. The ability to intentionally design an organization to embrace natural interconnectivity within and outside an organization will likely enable you to realize your potential and help others do the same. Further, in your personal growth and development, you need to see how what you listen to and read influence your internal attributes that then impact your relationships, well-being, and success at work, along with other interests in your life.